Guys, welcome back to Cooking with Precious. It's your favorite cook, Precious. I hope you enjoyed the recipe I'm about to share with you. So guys, these are all the ingredients we need. We need crayfish, we need dried fish, onions and garlic. I don't know why the camera is not focusing, but that's onions and garlic. This is pepper and tomatoes. You can add ginger to this mixture, but I didn't want to add ginger because of the pepper. And that's yam, new yam. So let's get into the video. So now we're just going to add palm oil into a pot. You don't have to wait for it to get you don't have to bleach the oil, but if you want to, but it's not necessary, to be very honest. So you just add your palm oil to the pot. When it's hot, then remove. So I bleached my oil, that's why it looks like this, and then I added my chopped onion. Guys, sorry this part looked blurry. I think the heat was affecting the lens. It was a struggle filming this, but yes, we made it. So that's our onions and our garlic. Then you just stir it for a bit. One thing I've noticed, like frying your garlic with your onions, I don't know why, but there's just this magic it adds to your the oil you're using to fry it. So I'll advise you guys. I don't know why people don't use garlic, but I'll advise you guys to start adding garlic to your food. It actually does something to the food. Like I'm going to show you one recipe I used to make rice with just garlic, not just garlic, obviously there are other ingredients, but garlic is the main ingredient. And guys, that rice is usually bomb. So now I'm just adding my ginger powder into the pot. Also, you season your onions and your garlic first. It's also very important. So that's ginger powder, curry, and then I added some salt. I added Maggi. So every just seasonings that you have in your house, just add it to the pot. Give it some flavor, guys. Very important. You can also add thyme and any other necessary seasoning you want to add. But I just added curry, I added ginger powder, Maggi, and salt. So now I'm just going to add my pepper and tomatoes mixture. We're going to fry it now with the onions and the seasoning in the pot. I didn't want to add the tomatoes first before the seasoning because I like to season my garlic and onions like I said earlier. I feel like there's a difference. A lot of people don't agree with me, but I've showed people this method and they've tried it and they actually noticed it. So season your onions and garlic first before your tomatoes, and then I added my blended crayfish. Always blend your crayfish too. Don't just drop it in there. I don't know why people do that, but yeah. Now we're just going to mix it and let it fry for a bit, and I'll be right back. So guys, I decided to add oil so we can fry the tomatoes longer because like I always say, frying your tomatoes is like the secret to having a nice, like anything jollof, like you need to fry the tomatoes very well. And then add a bit of curry because I didn't need it, but I wanted to. That was why I added. And then you just keep stirring, mixing, and let it fry. So I also added one more cube of Maggi. In the beginning, I used only one, so I just used the second cube now because I felt like the taste wasn't enough, and I added a bit of salt as well. So at some point, you see something white entering the pot. That's salt. So now I'm adding my dried fish. I washed dried fish. I don't know why this camera just kept leaving focus. It was frustrating, but yeah. I just added my dried fish and now just mix it in there and then add some water. At some point you see me adding water now. Yes. So you just add a bit of water. I don't fill it to the brim, because you need it to be thick. And if you want that sauce, you know that sauce that's being yam porridge. If you want it to be there, for it to be thick, because watery porridge is disgusting. No offense to anyone, but I don't like it. I like it when it's thick. So add a little bit of water. That's the only way it won't be too watery for you. So I added water, and now we just add our washed yam. This was new yam, that's why it looks so white, and it was very soft. Thank God there was new yam at home, so that's what I used. So now we're just going to cover the pot and come back in 20 minutes for the yam to cook properly. So guys, after 20 minutes, when your yam is ready, you just add your ugu leaf when it's ready, and this is what it should look like. Doesn't it look good, guys? This was the clip I got when I took the yam outside, just for you guys to see how it looks like, guys. It was so delicious. It was actually so nice. I liked it. And this is a picture of it. So guys, make sure you try out the recipe. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share the video, and don't forget to comment down below if you tried out the recipe, and turn on your notification bell. Bye guys, till next time.